In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download and install the Ubisoft store on PC. So let's just get straight into the video. Open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Ubisoft download, just like that. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the fast link right over here. And now what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on I accept the cookies. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and download Ubisoft Connect on the top right. As you can see, the download process has already started. As soon as the Connect installer is going to go ahead and install, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open it. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. Simply go ahead and click on the folder option right over here and simply run your Ubisoft installer. Now click on yes and then click on OK. By choosing your language, you can simply go ahead and drag it all the way down and click on I accept. Choose your file where you want to simply install it and click on install. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.